Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened on last Friday and what we expected on there. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates last Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 4,560, so just above that. We expected crude oil to stay in buying, so right after the opening slowly steadily the price went and cleared 4,600, went up till 4,680, closed near 4,668. So we had a very big buying that happened on Friday. As a follower, you know that in the last few months we are completely staying on the buying side, and we are making some decent profit in crude oil. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 4,720. We are expecting a higher opening compared to the previous day's closing, and we believe still we have a very good strong trend. You can expect crude oil to stay in buying, but the only question is the drawdown. If you have sufficient fund, you can wait for the price to come down and start buying on various supports, or you can split your positions by placing stop loss till 4,590. We can go for buying, expecting the price can test 4,750 and 4,796 in near term. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.